Hi guys, I'm Rita. In this episode I will show you how you can correct transaction on Sage accounting software. To correct transaction, go to adjustment section and there is correct transaction. On right hand side click make correction and now you can apply like a filter conditions or that if they will be met the transaction will be filtered out and you can do a correction. So let's say I will look for ledger account and I will look for currency charges. You can add another row, for example, looking particular amount. Amount is 5. So if you have lots of journals and transactions posted, but you know that you want to find particular transaction, just fill in one by one. On example, looking at date, and then there is contact and transaction type and etc. If you just want to look for particular account, let's say just currency charges, search all transactions there and you will be able to select one transaction which should be corrected. So for example, I will search just for A270 and there is only one transaction and it's been a journal entry. So I can select and click on next. I want to change this one to give it bank exchange rate. So I want to correct and move to different code. Reason misposted. Okay, and once I'm happy with added reason and where I want this transaction to be posted to, click on review. This is a pop-up message what warns what will happen with these transactions, what will be corrected. Click on update. Okay, and now system says that this has been corrected, so it's been moved from currency charges to exchange rate gain. So it shows in ledger account what's been happening from where and where it's been moved. So once you're happy, click done. And when you will have multiple transactions, you can go to correct transactions and list of all these corrections will show up in date and time order and also who changed and what's been changed there. So when I'm clicking on this information, it gives me detailed detailed information what's been happening. So this is a way how you can correct transaction on Sage accounting software. If you have any other questions, feel free to reach out to me. Also, if you have decided to start using Sage for your business, then I have left in a link in the description section below to my complete and full Sage tutorial.